Larry, I picked this particular song for you. It's called Heritage. It was written by Duke Ellington. It was really originally written for a play that was staged in Chicago in 1963 that talked about the progress of Black Americans, then called Negro Americans. And then in 1965, it was released as a recording in celebration of the 100th anniversary of the Emancipation Proclamation. But it's all about family heritage and lineage, and I thought this was a perfect example of what you stand for, so I hope you enjoy it. Please welcome Gabrielle Goodman.
I get to sing without a mask. Larry, where are you? Larry Simpson. Larry, I want to take this opportunity to publicly thank you for all of your support with everything I've done over the years. You have been tremendously supportive, and I thank you. Thank you so much. I can't believe 17 years. Have gone by. And it's a pleasure to work with this wonderful, wonderful band. Give it up! So we're going to get started with the beautiful Duke Ellington song. I had not heard this song prior to this time, and when I heard it, I thought, oh my God, it's so beautiful. So I'm happy to sing this for you tonight. It's called Heritage. sister.